And so some of you, a lot of people are still asking questions on guava leaves, soursop leaves, mango leaf, all this stuff. And so this morning I want to show us, I've done it before, but I need to show us again. This is the guava leaves. It's already drying out. Immediately you cut it, it starts to dry. But when you are taking the guava leaf, make sure that one, that is not too tender. Take the side that is matured, but not too matured. That is one thing I notice when you are trying to make a herbal preparation from fresh leaves like this. Don't take the ones that are too tender, because the nutrients, the medicinal nutrients, may not be ready yet in that particular herb. The same thing applies to all the fresh herbs. Ensure that they are the maturity point, not over matured and not too tender. And so this is the guava. I still have some of them here. You can see it is already drying out. But I just got out to show us the quantity because of too many questions. The quantity, this is the quantity that you may need. Look at it. You can have this or less. There's no rule about it. There's no scientific measurement or quantity. Look at it. Something like this is okay, or you can take less. This is, it lowers blood sugar. It's great for inflammations. It's a liver support. This one helps you burn fat. Several other, including improving your sleep. And so it has many benefits. So you put it one side, then you get your mango leaves. This is, I think this is supposed to be, it's supposed to be what we call cherry mango, because we have different species of mango. And then this guava leaf, lest I forget, is also the purple guava. We need to know that we have the white guava. This is the purple guava. I do not know what effect the white guava does have on health and other things like blood sugar. But this is the purple guava. We know the purple guava. We know that it's white. This, I suppose, looks like the what we call cherry mango here. We have different types of mango species. So not just any mango. You can look at the leaves so that you make sure that you can know them from their leaves. And so this is the one I use. And once you use a particular one and it's good for you, it's good to stick to it. Maybe it's the species that delivers these medicinal benefits. And so you can get this quantity, put it on your container or your pot. Then this is a soursop. This quantity also is okay. Then you put it together like this and wash it in a running water. After washing it very well, you put it in the pot and allow water to cover it and boil it. Then after boiling it, it is not to say that you must finish the preparation. I have the tea already. I'm already taking it and I want to show us. You can be more than this, but it's definitely going to look like this when you prepare it. Looks slightly golden color. And when you drink this tea, I want to show us. It's best taken in the morning on empty stomach. And those with high blood pressure know that the soursop leaves is great in crashing your blood pressure. The mango leaves is great in crashing your blood sugar. I mean the guava leaf. And this one is good both for things like anxiety feelings, even hiccups. Talking of the mango leaf, that's a lot of other benefits. Positive effect on blood sugar also. And then putting them together, what we call synergy, you're going to get a very beautiful tea that will help reverse a lot of inflammations, including reducing the risk of fibroids, cancers, inflammations, arthritis, belly fat, malabsorption, constipation, just name it. By the time you finish this tea, you will have the testimony yourself. By the time you go to, empty your bowel, the way and manner it will cleanse you. You will not need anybody to convince you that you have taken a very healthy and medicinal preparation. So you don't have to take it continuously. If you take it for a day, for 3-4 days, for instance, and you feel well and better, you give yourself a break. Moderation is our rule. You don't have to take it, because This soursop leaves, if you continue taking it, over time you will notice that your blood pressure will start become so low, especially if you are the type like myself that doesn't have problem of blood pressure and all this stuff. So if you continue taking it in large amount for maybe over a week or so, you may start to get negative side effects. That is it. So that is why I thought to do this video, because a lot of people kept asking how many, what quantity, what time, a lot of questions. You can take it in the evening again, but if you take a good amount in the morning, which is the best time after your water therapy, you drink this, you may notice that in the evening you may not have any need for another drink. But if you think you do, go ahead and drink it. But for me, that I do not have high blood pressure, I don't normally like to take again in the evening, because it's going to drop it and I will start feeling that my blood pressure is low, and the signs and symptoms will show me. So you don't have to. So go ahead, my lovely people, and enjoy your herbal drink, herbal preparation. Take it moderately. Don't forget to follow me, to share this message, and to give me your like. Thanks for watching.